playlist
Yeah.
Tuesday? Yeah, I
Tues-
got it.
Yeah, playlist Tuesday. Okay, so what we have done so far, just to run my program, is when this program runs, we are able to see the home screen. And then once we click on any of these tracks, it just welcomes the user to the playlist system. And this is where they need to be able to open up the second screen. So the second screen essentially is the one that they would have like the, it's supposed to look like this. So I'm going to show you how to design it. So it's going to look like this, where they could have replay, play, home, and stop. So they can play basically the play should be the resume, and then stop the music, go to home screen, and replay again. So we need to design something like this. So I'm going to show you how we do that. We're going to be going to Lunapic to do such a design. And then we need to continue. Once they click on track 1, it will show this message, but it will also open up the final screen. So what I want you to do, Asher, so we can design the final screen, I would like you to go to Lunapic. I'm going to give you the website. We've used this before. And in this final, I'm going to show you how we can create the design. You're going to go into File, and you're going to select New Blank Image. And it's going to give you this canvas. So we're trying to get something like this, okay, where we have like this replay, play, home, and stop. But instead of play, we're going to have something like resume. So it's like what we call the playlist controls. So what's going to happen is once you go into File and you select New Blank Image, you will select the color for your canvas. So let's say I want to use like a bluish color. You can select the one you want. Once you click on choose, then you're going to click on go. All right, so this is my canvas right now. So what's going to happen is we're going to draw like borders, just like we did before. So you click on your color, you click on go. Don't change the size of your canvas. Go to borders. You can select border tool, which we've done it before as well. I mean, we kind of included it before. And if you want, you can select tiled borders, like flowers or something for me, for example, or you can select just borders with color, which is kind of what I'm going to select. Okay, so once you get the borders, you can increase the size of the thickness of your border. Make sure you guys are, following, because I'm only going to give you a couple of minutes to do the simple design. So you can increase the thickness, you can make it larger. So let's say I make my border 40, like this is how it's going to be. And that's all under borders, border tool. You can also go and select picture frame if you want. So if I select picture frame, I could get it like this instead. It depends on which one you want. If I go back in borders, so
Wait,
you can, yeah.
Wait. I just forget how to open the new. Is it new blank image?
Yeah, I'm gonna repeat it again.
Okay.
So you guys go to Lunapic. I'll repeat it one more time. Once you're on this website, it looks like this. Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Yeah, so then you have to go into File, and then you have to select New Blank Image. So that you guys, Vincent, did you open your Lunapic?
Yeah, also I got my
Okay. All right, great job. So you guys will select New Blank Image, and then you will select, you get like this canvas, and you can select the color you want. So choose color. I'm going to choose blue again, and then click the Go button. Then just go to borders, select the border tool, or you can select picture frame or any other type of border you see here that you want to try. There's something called beveled edge. Let me see how that border is. Oh, beveled edge looks like this. Okay, so I can undo this. I don't want to have this type of border. I'm just going to go with color border. And I'll choose my color.
I want to try double edge.
Okay, you can try that. I like it if you guys try actually.
I didn't find it.
Which one? What is it called? The one that I had? It's right here. It's called beveled edge. That was the one that I put in.
Oh.
There's even something called dollar bill. Oh, like this is not a border though. This just shows you like the dollar, like you want to make the dollar bill, you can put in like the dollar as in $2. Look at that. Okay, so we're not making a dollar bill. So I'm just going to go back to my design, what I had before. I'm gonna do this border. So once you guys are done, just go into text. When you're finished with the borders, you've selected the one you wanted, then go to text. It's a T tool. It's at the second left hand side, like the second icon on the left. Now click on T, and maybe what you can write here is just playlist controls, or you can say enjoy listening to music, something like that. Enjoy listening to music, something fun. And you guys have to select the font you want. So whichever font, and just place it there. And then that's pretty much it. That's all you can do for this like text, unless you want to add some more text, but don't click on apply text until you finished adjusting the text. And then you click apply text. And then the very last thing to do is just to put the playlist controls like buttons or circles. So I'm waiting for you guys. Once you guys get this part done, remember what I did. I finished with borders, then I went to the T tool, the text tool. I typed in my text. You can select your color, select the size, and click apply when you move it. Okay. Now the next one is you have to do buttons. So you can use a circle or you can use a square. Depends on what you want for your buttons. I think you can also use a triangle. I'm not sure. Let me see if there's like a triangle shape. If you click on the square, no, there's no triangle. Only circle at the bottom. See where my mouse is? Or you can go with a square. Basically, what we want to do is something like this. I'm going to show you guys. So if I choose a circle, okay, we're going to have 4 playlist controls. Okay, so one is going to be, I can choose a circle that is a filled circle. So if I want to do filled ellipse, which is a circular shape, then I can choose the color I want to fill it with. Maybe I'm going to go with like a, maybe like a greeny or bluish color or purple. So this is what I mean. So one's going to be like this. This is for my, like if they wanted to, I guess we can say if they wanted to replay. Yeah, replay. This is my replay one. And I will put one over here. So it depends where you want to put your circles, how you want to arrange them. You can put them in the center like this, or you can put them here. Just draw 4 circles. So I think I'm going to put mine in the center because I need to type in something. So I'll put it here, something like this, not too big, just a small circle. And I'll click apply. So this is going to be for me like replay. And then I need to have one that's going to be like resume. If they pause the music, they can resume the music. So I'm going to put one like this. Okay, something like that. Or I can clear it and put it maybe somewhat closer around here. So something like this. So I'm going to apply it. So put 4 circles or 4 triangles, whichever one, I mean squares, sorry, or rectangles, depending on what you want for your buttons. So I'm going to put the other one here. And there it is. And I'm going to say apply. Don't forget to put it and say apply. You can also make your pen thicker if you want to increase pen size. And then I'm going to put the last one here. And try to make sure it's like center, because sometimes it doesn't look like it's a centered circle. So you want to try to get it into a center-ish kind of circle. All right, there it is. I have all my buttons ready. So now I'm just going to put in, now you can put in text, like say replay, then you say pause, then you say home, then you say stop music. So yeah, that's a good thing to do. So you have to go back to text if you want to put like text here. So saying this is the replay button, this is the resume button, the home, and the stop button. So I'm going to go back to text. And I'm going to write the first one, replay. And remember, don't click apply text until you've adjusted it. So this is going to be like replay music. I'm going to reduce the size. And I think I'll also change the text color. Try a couple of colors. This is too light, maybe red or maroon. And I'll change the style of writing, maybe chunker. This is pretty cool. Replay music. Maybe if I made it like 25, it's not too big. If you don't want to do like replay music, which I feel like it's not like appropriate to like put, it doesn't sound so nice when you put it like a whole. Maybe you can just say replay. Just a simple replay.
Where's that? I just found something and I can find it again.
You can't find it again? Was it like a type of font?
Yeah, it's a font. I can find it again.
Maybe try doing them again one by one. Maybe if you remember the first letter, it might be easier to find it.
Oh, I find it.
You found it? Okay.
Let
me
start with S.
Oh, okay. Well, this looks pretty cool, but it's not very visible. The one I chose like the font called Pokemon. Looks really nice, but
wow.
Yeah, but it doesn't look like really clear. I don't think people can read that. Maybe let's go with Husky fonts. They're really nice fonts here. This one's pretty cool too. Husky. Replay. I think it's too big. Vincent, how's it going for you? Have you been able to get your like fonts and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, just do your. Yeah, go ahead. How do you
draw like the circle?
Oh, the circle. You have to go here. Asher, there's like the circle. See where my mouse is moving? There's a circle icon right here at the bottom. You have to click on it. Yeah, click on it and then you can draw, but don't click apply until you've drawn the circle where you wanted to draw it. But you can click clear, like clear the screen, and it's able to like clear the circle for you and you can redraw it again. So I'm gonna change my text. I don't like this text. I'm gonna redo another one. I guess this one looks kind of fancy. Maybe I can use this one. 40. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for my text.
But I can just draw like the circle without fill, just like outline.
If you want to draw like an outline, I think there's a freehand option. You should select the free.
I can't draw like with fill, just
outline. It's because if you draw with the outline, it's not gonna look exactly straight. So
yeah, but I want draw with the fill, but I can't.
Oh, really? Let me see. Give me one moment. Let me just finish this. Let me see an example. If I go to circle, okay? I'm gonna go back to draw circle. You have to select Asher. There's an option that says filled ellipse. You have to make sure you select the tool first. If you want to draw it like, filled. Yeah. So if you just say ellipse, it's just gonna, yeah. So if you say filled ellipse, then you're gonna be able to draw the circle with the filled color, but you can choose the color you want before you draw the circle. So you know what kind of fill color it will be with. All right, I'm going to go to mine, finish up mine, and then I'll wait for you guys. Remember, don't forget that there's replay, there's resume, as in when they pause the music. So it can be pause/resume, because pause/resume is going to be like, it's kind of like stop. There's not much of a difference, but the difference is, yeah, I would say it's like kind of like stop. So maybe we can just have replay, resume, play, and home. I think that's going to be better. So I'm just going to write resume for this one. And put it over here. I'm going to use lobster regular, 40. Asher, how's it going for you? Did you get the circle, filled circle?
Yeah. Okay. I'm drawing like 4 circles.
Okay. All right, I'm doing my resume one, and then I think I'm gonna do, so guys, don't forget to do replay, resume, then home screen and play, and that's it. So home, I'm gonna do that one. Home's gonna be over here. And then just apply text. And finally, I'm gonna do play. So play means like if they pause it, they get to like play it back again. So I'm not gonna do the stop because the stop is kind of like the like when you use pause. Oh, I should have done pause. Okay, I'm not doing play, I'm doing pause. That's when they pause the music and then they can resume. That means play again. So yeah, pause is better. All right, once you're done, that's it. I'm gonna wait for you guys. This is how mine looks like, my final one. I'm going to put like a nice text here at the end, just saying something like something that you can put about music or if you want to put like a design here or something. So I'm just going to put a text and say fun music all day long. Something like this. And then I'm just going to add it down here. And just something to fill the like the down part. Something like this is good. And then I'm just going to change color and see if another color works. Fun music all day long. All right, I'm done, guys. So let me know if you have any questions.